What color is your hair na?
It's yellow, mommy.
Come on.
It's the yellow.
Patakan, di pa bleach na
It's very painful that day. Now 24,000 subscribers. Say yay, nak. Yay! Ano? Say yay!
Yay!
Piki kayo.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday everyone. It is currently 10 past 1 ng hapon and I'm on my lunch break guys and pupunta ako ngayon sa hospital. It's because if you watch my previous video, nasabi ko sa inyo na pumunta ako ng doktor because of what I felt, yung numbness sa aking head and also sa aking left arm. So, ngayon lang ako pupunta guys for this blood test. Ayan ang aking request. So, andito na. Tinawagan ko yung hospital, guys. And, tinanong ko kung kailangan bang mag-book or, appointment, ganun. And sabi nila, no, just come over and we'll do it for you. So, since lunch break ko naman, at hindi siya malayo dito, guys. It's probably, I don't know, I'd say 6 to 7 minutes drive. So, yeah, that's where we're going now. Wala si Daddy Mike dito ngayon kasi pumunta siya sa kanyang mixed martial arts. Meron siyang session, today. And yung baby girl natin ay nasa childcare kasi Wednesday nga. And then I just made sure na meron tayong dito guys. Dala ko ang ating Medicare card just in case kailanganin natin. And then also, I've got my passport kasi remember last time nung pumunta ako ng hospital, they asked for my ID at wala akong dala. Kaya, dalhin na natin ang ating pasaporte. And then, let's go have a needle. See you soon, guys. Ayan, guys. Kakapark lang natin dito sa harap ng hospital. It took me exactly 7 minutes. Kaya, I wasn't wrong when I said 6 to 7 minutes before. So, ayan. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa Melbourne, guys. It is currently 30 degrees outside. Kahapon, maulan siya at medyo cold. Ngayon, sobrang init na naman. Melbourne, hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Anyways, my mask is here now guys. Papasok na tayo. And yeah, alam kong sa labas pwede nang hindi magsuot ng mask. Pero I still choose to wear the mask. Especially hospital to guys. Kaya yeah, I'm gonna go in now. I'll see you soon. Ayan, peeps. Nakabalik na ako sa sasakyan. Tingnan nyo, nayayay si ate nyo. Oh my God, you know how much I hate needles. I so hate it, guys. I think the last time na nagpa-blood test ako was nung I found out that I was pregnant with Paris. And yeah, I think ito na ang next. And you know what, yung ginagamit nila na needle para dito is yung mga malalaking needle talaga. And they got like 2 tubes like that of my blood. So, sabi ni ate, bukas daw, isisend nila yung result doon sa doktor ko. So, I'm gonna call my doctor tomorrow to make an appointment. Just in case we need to discuss anything. Hopefully, there's nothing really, guys. But yeah, that's what I'm doing tomorrow. And, oh, actually guys, tingnan nyo, meron silang mga pa-sticker na ganito. So, by the time you go in the front door, meron silang mga tinatanong sa'yo if you have like a flu-like symptoms, if you have cough, and basta maraming katanungan. And then, ayan, pinapalagay nila dito sa damit mo, ganyan. And then, you have to stand in front of the machine kung saan chine-check yung temperature mo. So, my temperature was 36.6. Ayan, so walang fever si ate nyo. And then, noon, pumasok na ako, guys. So, it's good that they're doing that thing, Very, very safe talaga. I have to go back now, guys, kasi I need to go back to work pa. And, yeah, it's nearly 2 o'clock. So, in 3 hours time, pick upin na natin ang ating baby girl. So, I'll speak to you again soon, guys. I'm home now, guys. Sa bahay na rin si Daddy Mike. And he's making something for us. What are you making, Daddy? Daddy, it's very painful, Daddy.
There you go, Mommy.
Did you have yours already?
No.
Oh. Tingnan nyo guys, yung ginawa ni Daddy Mike for me. Oh, diba? Super healthy. What's this one, Daddy?
Tuna, Greek salad, spinach, cheese. And last one.
May nakalimutan si Sir.
Hold on. Put it down.
What is that? Avocado. Guys, tingnan niyo pala guys, oh. Ang hikaw ni Daddy Mike. Di ba maitim yan before? Yung black na round. So, I put my, big earrings there. Studs. It looks really cool.
Yeah.
Ayan na guys, ang ating kakainin. Alright, and then I have to get back to work. Hello everyone! It is now 15 minutes past 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And kakatapos ko lang mag-work guys. It's again super busy today. And my head is freaking hurting. Anyways, ang ating baby girl ay nasa childcare pa. Pipick upin na namin ni Daddy Mike. And ang ating washing machine ay nagtutuyok-tuyok ngayon kasi it is a very nice day and I think tomorrow will be warm as well. Kaya, yeah. I put the clothes in the line before. Hello, Daddy.
Hey.
And sinabihan ko sa Daddy Mike na magdala ng plastic bag kasi pupunta kami ng shopping center, grocery shop after nito. May bibilhin kami, mga pagkain namin dito.
It has to be different colors.
Huh? Aalis na sana ako guys ang aking shoes. White, black and white. Buti na lang napansin ni Daddy Mike. Wow, tingnan nyo ang kanyang suot guys, oh. Pink at ngayon ay may blue na. Have a look na ka. Anak, there's a blue on your shirt. Oh, look. See? See? Oh no, what is that?
It's so funny.
It's so funny. What is this?
Oh.
Di na matang-tang nak. See? Ito yung sinasabi ko guys na binibilhan ko siya ng marami ukay-ukay kasi
No, it's smelly.
ayun, ganito oh. Ito yung pinasuot ko sa kanya oh. Smelly? Did you poo-poo?
No, it's my poo-poo.
Come on, let's go.
It's my.
Wait. I'm pulling it. You're pushing? Okay. Go follow Daddy. Oh, where are you going? Where's our car?
Wow.
Where's our car now? Have a look at Paris' hair, Daddy. Kala. Yun yung buki Paris guys, so sobrang brown.
Nice cut.
Yellow one.
You got yellow hair, that's right. Beautiful.
They want
What color is your hair na?
It's yellow, mommy.
Come on.
It's the yellow.
Patakang, di pa bleach lugar ni mo?
It's the yellow, mommy.
Di pa bleach na may mong hair? What are we gonna get from the shops na?
Because I want to buy a chemical
Huh? Water?
bottle.
Bottle. Run to the car. Where's our car?
Here.
Wow.
Buddy. No. Could be cars coming around the corner. Come on. Look first and then you can run.
Look to the left. Look to the right.
Now, stop. Do you see any cars? Are there any cars coming? No?
There's nothing.
Okay, then you can run.
There's nothing.
Good job.
There's nothing.
Take to the beach.
That's not a beach, anak. That's bukid.
Okay?
Gabi? Bukid.
No, what?
You have to go sit now, anak.
Is it your car?
With your tongue? Look, is it Daddy?
Put your arm there.
Put it on.
Sige na, anak, because you have to go to the shops. We're gonna get water bottle. Pula kay kanak, oh?
And we'll get present Paris. We'll get Paris something yummy.
Yes.
Go on.
Come on. Where's Daddy? Huh? Daddy's on the phone, look. Daddy's on the phone. We'll get the plastic bag. We'll take to the shops, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Mama will take you out. I love you. I love you.
Are you?
What?
Put her down, Daddy. Put her down.
It looks like putting
Go
like,
in.
you think about it as a personal trainer,
This way.
you're sort of setting up,
Huh?
you're not setting up the best image, but you're sort of like, you sort of, if you just like, if you just really, you want to have some life balance, you know what I mean?
It's Merry Christmas, yeah.
If your clients are seeing you training for something,
Christmas.
they're sort of thinking more, is that right?
Come on, this way. This way. No, Mama's going. Come on. Let's go get bread. So funny. Go bread this one.
And I'm like,
Homemade.
Maybe mommy.
Huh?
This one.
Not that one, honey. Maybe we'll get the popcorn.
This is not good for babies.
Huh?
It's for babies.
Yeah, it's not good for the teeth. It's not good for the teeth. We're gonna get chicken bone snack. It's now 7 o'clock, guys. Ating baby girl, oh, ayan oh. Nanonood ng kanyang nursery rhymes. Ngayon lang kami nakauwi kasi pumunta kami ng grocery shops. Namili kami ng mga pagkain ba. Come on na, honey. Quick, quick, have a look at the ants. Where's the ants?
It's gone.
It's gone?
I gotta go chicken.
Huh? Sleeping? Sleeping? There they are, see? Nalobat ng phone ni Mama. Hey, have to charge it. Go, let's go in. So we can have dinner. Ants. Do you like the ants?
I got for my foot.
Do you like the ants? Ay, pakita yung kuan, pusod. Huy. Anak. Anak. You're so bulingon is. Bulingot kayo ka, ha?
The ant.
Let's go.
It's my ant. On the dog.
Call Daddy.
Daddy. My one that I gotta do it.
Call Daddy.
My one
It's too high, anak. Baby, let's go.
on the ice, mommy.
It's Christmas tree! Pakita ko sana sa inyo guys yung mga pinamili namin sa shops. Pero si Daddy Mike started putting them all away already. Kasi nandun ako sa lounge room with baby Peter. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung naiwan dito guys. Okay. So, di ba bumili ako ng chicken frames, yung mga buto-buto ng manok, tsaka sa, buto-buto ng baka. Gusto ko silang sabawin. And then, we've got pichay here. And some apples. We also have chicken kebab, Chinese honey. Ayan. Okay. And then, we have chicken jumbo burger. That one. And then, we got bread, pero nalumi na ang bread guys, oh, nadatugan. And we also have these wraps. Ayan. We're starting to love this wrap thingy now. And then, bumili ako ng ito guys. So ito, sabi nga ni Paris, wash our hands para wala dang germs and virus. And ito para sa ating toilet, para naman malinisan natin at pumuti naman ang ating toilet bowl. And this one is for Paris's, wash and shampoo. Ayan, from Aveeno.
Got this in the freezer?
Yeah, freezer. This one for tomorrow.
What kind of yours? Freezer? Five.
No, I'm gonna have this tomorrow.
This one?
So just the beef burns the freezer. And then, oh yes! Tingnan nyo guys. Medyo matagal na rin hindi ako nakabili nito. And, yeah, I really like this biscuit. For pangpupo ba?
Yeah.
La, 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 la. Ayan. So, buti na lang nakadala kami ng plastic bags. So, hindi na namin kailangan bumili ng mga plastic bags ulit kasi sobrang dami na talaga dito sa bahay. Guys, it's now 8 o'clock ng gabi and hindi pa siya madilim. Oh,
What's that?
what's that, anak? Gusto pang lumabas ni Baby Paris kasi gusto niya maglaro ng bubbles. Come on, go! Move! Move! Move!
Come this one.
Where's the moon, Paris?
Here.
Here! There's the moon. Tingnan nyo.
Where you go from?
Yan.
Orange
Oh.
sun. It's our sun.
What is it na?
It's our sun.
Orange sun. That's right. Yeah, the sun is setting. That's why it's orange. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, orange. Do you want Mama to blow the bubbles or you do it?
Go do it.
You do it or Mama?
Paris.
Paris. Okay. So, oh, I changed her top guys. Pero yung pants niya hindi pa. Kasi
Mommy.
we'll get ready for bed soon.
Pen.
A pen? Okay, come. Let's go here. Dito sa grass natin. Ito talaga yung maganda sa daylight savings guys kasi kahit 8 o'clock na sobrang bright pa rin. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ngayon pa magsa-sunset. Here. May narinig si Baby Paris na tahol ng aso guys. Sabi niya, Doggy! Asa ka nga ang doggy, no? No? Ganito ka quiet dito guys. Especially ngayon, 8 o'clock na ng gabi. Pero ang lalaki ng mga bahay dito guys. So, sa harap ng bahay namin.
Flower.
Flower. It's a flower. Nag-bloom na talaga lahat. Tingnan nyo, oh. Flower. Yung trees. Yung doon sa harapan ng bahay. Hala, tagan kay Ansnak. Careful. Aliwarang. There's aliwarang. Ito guys, itong mga malalaking bahay, mga medyo bago-bago pa to siya. Yung mga ano talaga, yung original siguro dito ng mga bahay ganito, yung mga old style na Australian house. Ganyan yung kulay ng bricks. Tinan nyo, super old, no? Ano na? Oh, where?
Here.
Where?
Here.
Oh, wow.
These big ones.
A big one. Sinabi kasi ng daddy niya, guys, na yung mga ice cream ay kinuha ng eagle. Kaya sabi niya,
Paris.
yeah, the eagle took your ice cream, yes?
Yes, he took bicycle for last week.
Oh, shush,
I
the
know.
eagle.
What was that?
Are you sad? Don't be sad.
I go get from Paris.
Yeah,
I go to get Paris.
the eagle took it.
I'm better go look at Paris. Episode.
Yeah, super Paris. Like that.
Okay, I'll go. I could fly.
You could fly? Have you got superpower?
Ice cream. He get the ice cream, mommy.
Oh, yeah. Tingnan niyo ang bird,
He
guys.
get the ice cream.
Yeah, he took the ice cream.
Here, okay, he going to it.
The eagle took it. Oh, no.
That's the number. I'm gonna go see.
Pero ito talaga yung pinakagusto ko na bahay dito, guys. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang modern. Ayan. Yung hindi ko type is yung parang square, yung ano niya ba, yung ceiling niya. Yung sa atop bitaw niya, guys. Ganyan, oh. Gusto ko pa rin yung cone shape na ano.
Mommy
Atop.
bubble.
Yes,
Yummy
honey.
bubble, mommy.
Hoy, don't drink your bubble nap. Dirty. Here you go.
There's worms.
There's worms in the bubble. Come on, let's go.
There's blue.
Do you wanna keep going or what? Shall we go back now? Back? Okay.
No,
Alright. Yung sa akin guys, alam nyo, kung bibili kami ni Daddy Mike ng bahay, one day, itong ganito guys, yung ano lang ba, isang palapag lang, ganyan. I really like that style guys, yung garage lang, tapos dapat wide yung front door, ganyan. Ayoko ng ano, yung mga malalaki, ayoko ng ganyan, yung mga 2-story house, mga ganyan, hindi ko masyadong type. Gusto ko ganyan lang, isahan lang. We'll see one day. Anak, let's go back na nakta, kasi daddy is waiting nak.
No.
Tignan niyo siya guys. Humpty Dumpty daw siya, sat on the wall. Hindi naman siguro sila magagalit guys, no? Diyan lang naman, oh. Gusto siya magpakitang gilas kay tita. Ayan, oh. Ayan si
Look,
tita.
mommy.
Wow! Well done, Paris. Wow! Hala, na sila limoncito, guys. Oh,
Oh,
tingnan niyo, guys.
it's down.
Nak, na sila kalamansi,
Down,
nak.
mommy.
Hmm?
Orange.
Have a look at you. You're
Orange.
sitting on the wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Can you sing?
Handy daddy sat on the wall. Handy daddy high wall. No, my. It's a date.
Go in, put Humpty.
Peter again.
Yay!
Handy daddy sat on the wall. Handy daddy high wall. Handy sat on the tree.
Humpty Dumpty in the tree.
He's here. It's up
He's
here.
here. Where?
It's here. And here.
Itong tree na to, guys, before, nung few months ago,
Go.
pag naglalakad tayo guys dito, wala to siyang mga dahon-dahon, parang patay na ano na tree. Pero ngayon, tingnan niyo, oh. Sobrang dami na namang green na dahon.
Mom, my house.
Oh no, what happened?
I don't get it.
You wanna get it?
Okay.
Do you know how to do it? Oh, great job, Paris.
Say, mommy.
Well done.
My
Mm.
here go.
It's 9 o'clock na ng gabi, mga friends. Nandito na kami sa bed. Ang ating baby girl ay nakabihis na for pangtulog niya. Ayan. And, share ko lang sa inyo yung ating positive quote of the day, guys. And this one is, without rain, nothing grows. Learn to embrace the storms of your life. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys, sa patuloy na panonood ng ating mga videos. And guess what? We are now 24,000 subscribers! Say yay, nak! Yay! Ano? Say yay!
Yay.
Piki. 24K na tayo, guys, sa ating channel. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa mga bagong subscribers natin. Thank you for considering na mag-subscribe sa ating channel, and I really hope na nai-enjoy niyo yung mga vlogs natin. Ayan na natin yung vlog dito, guys, kasi ang ating baby girl ay papatulog na natin. May childcare pa bukas, and then I have to get her stuff ready for tomorrow, yung bag niya, tapos yung susuotin niya. And then I'm planning to have a shower tonight, guys, kasi mukhang kailangan na ng hair natin ang ligo. Ayan. But of course, before natin i-end yung ating vlog, we'll just do a quick shout out. And the first shout out goes to Wilma Bellarmino. And also shout out daw sa kanyang pamilya sa Melbourne and sa Iloilo. Hello sa inyong lahat. Shout out to Vicky Inot. Sabi pa niya dito, guys, palag kayo akong mama, imo kong gi-shout out Mami Jove. Salamat po always. Hi po sa imong mami. Shout out sa inyong tanan diha. Shout out to Sally Samiñano and also to family Samiñano from Bicol. Inday Eds from Bukidnon. Hello. Akong mga silingan. Shout out to Fritzy Marjorie Ramos from Riyadh. Thank you very much for watching, sis. Shout out to Mardi Pido, Ivy Haushan, Hannah Sarumines, Jessica Dailisan, Lovely Di Masangkay, Janzi Pinay, Australia, Simply Ray, Jessa Dakop, shout out from Orqueta City, Simply Glay, Sally Samaniano, Carlota Pedro, Cherry Ramos and family, Ronald Balaba, Telma Estrada, and Queen Survivor TV. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit that subscribe button to be a part of this family. Road to 25k na tayo. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful, guys. Bye. Bye-bye na lang.
Bye-bye.
Here, close.
Bye-bye.
Close.
Bye-bye.
Close the vlog.
Bye-bye.